Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to Shopify gift cards work. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Shopify gift cards are a great solution for businesses of all sizes, especially since it makes it easier for shoppers to send gifts to friends, family and loved ones. From a business standpoint, your company can also benefit in some existing ways. Utilizing the Shopify gift card tools instead of creating your own or using third-party is a great way to keep things more organized. Customers can also buy and redeem gift cards online, and if you're using it, the Shopify POS in store, everything is linked together for easy tracking and to cut down on fraud. So here are some key advantages to adding gift cards on your Shopify store. Our gift cards are paid for in full upfront, so you can get the benefit of what the gift card industry calls float, or the time between when a gift card is purchased and when it is actually used. You will want to check with your finance expert because there are often rules about how to handle unused gift card balance funds. It's also possible that some gift card purchases will go unused, meaning there's essentially extra revenue for your store. Again, check with your financial team for any rules regarding this. Shoppers may be more likely to buy gift card for your store if they know a gift card option is available. This can calm nervous buyers who aren't quite sure on size, color, or which item might be best. Finally, many stores see a decrease in exchanges and returns when using gift cards, since it's so difficult to select the right item or size or color. Letting the lucky recipient select it themselves means it's less likely to get returned, and since returns and exchanges can be very costly and time consuming, the more you can cut down on them, the better. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.